Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the product. Mobimatter offers an intriguing approach to mobile content creation. Instead of wrestling with complex video editing software or spending hours crafting the perfect Instagram post, Mobimatter provides a streamlined, intuitive platform for building engaging mobile experiences. Think of it as a simplified, mobile-first website builder, but with a focus on dynamic content like animations, quizzes, polls, and even e-commerce integration. One of the key advantages of using Mobimatter is its ease of use. The platform features a drag-and-drop interface that allows anyone, regardless of technical skill, to create visually appealing content. You can easily add text, images, videos, and interactive elements to your project, customizing the look and feel to match your brand or personal style. This simplicity makes it ideal for quickly creating marketing materials, educational resources, or even interactive portfolios. Moreover, Mobimatter goes beyond static content. The platform empowers creators to incorporate dynamic elements that encourage audience engagement. From interactive quizzes that test knowledge to polls that gather opinions, Mobimatter provides the tools to create truly captivating mobile experiences. This interactivity not only keeps users engaged, but also provides valuable insights into audience preferences and behavior. Furthermore, the platform's e-commerce integrations allow creators to seamlessly monetize their content by offering products or services directly within their mobile creations. Another notable feature is Mobimatter's focus on mobile optimization. Content created on the platform is automatically optimized for various screen sizes and devices, ensuring a consistent and engaging experience for all users. This eliminates the need for tedious manual adjustments and ensures that your content looks its best on any mobile device. With mobile usage continuing to rise, this focus on mobile-first design is crucial for reaching and engaging your target audience effectively. Finally, Mobimatter offers a range of sharing options. You can easily share your creations via social media, email, or even embed them directly into your website. This flexibility makes it easy to distribute your content to a wider audience and maximize its impact. So, if you're looking for a simple, yet powerful way to create engaging mobile content, definitely check out Mobimatter. It's a platform worth exploring.